Hello everyone, welcome back to Edward Casual channel, and today we'll be making candied fruits of your choice, of course. And this dish is actually originated from China. It's a very popular Chinese street snack, and it's called Tanghulu. So let's jump right to the recipe.
This recipe is quite an easy one, so you'll need some seedless grapes, some strawberries, which I definitely recommend, and some orange or mandarin, which would definitely work better because they are quite smaller than your original orange. A quick tip how to choose a perfect orange. If your orange has that sort of tip, that means it's quite sweet and it will be perfect. Start by peeling your orange. For some reason I like to peel my oranges clockwise and then get rid of the rind, which tend to be quite bitter. Also, save your orange peel. You can make a lot of delicious drinks with it, or use it as an insect deterrent in your closet. As I mentioned earlier, you can use oranges in this recipe, or you can substitute it with mandarin or clementines. Either works. The smaller size helps you to eat it more easily. Separate the orange into smaller chunks and let it air dry for it to get rid of the excess water on the surface. That way the sugar sticks more easily. Remove the strawberry leaves and also the strawberry stem. That way it is more enjoyable to eat. And also don't forget to wash your strawberries and dry them before coating with sugar. The same washing and drying process goes for grapes. In the pot, add 2 cups of sugar, and also 1 cup of water. Set on medium-high heat and make sure not to stir the mixture or it will crystallize on the sides. Prepare a bowl of cold water with ice cubes. That way you can dip your already syrup-covered strawberries and other fruits and it will crystallize instantly. Prepare skewers with your selected fruits. I wouldn't put too much of the fruits on one skewer, that way it will be easier for you to dip into the cold water. Now wait for your water to reach a temperature of 300 Fahrenheit or 149 Celsius. It will take quite a while, from 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't have a sugar thermometer, stick your spoon into the cold water after coating it with syrup. If it crystallizes and becomes hard like rock candy, then it means it's ready. Once the sugar mixture is ready, start coating your fruits with it and dipping it into cold water. And repeat it with all of the fruits that you have. Just take a look how those fruits glisten. After dipping it, place it aside for it to cool down and carry on doing other fruits. This dessert is best served fresh because if it stays longer, it will start to melt. I mean, who wouldn't resist strawberries like that on a cute Valentine's Day?
And there you have it, some Tanghulu. As you can see, they are quite hard. Okay, let's try it. So crunchy, so delicious. Honestly, it can be a perfect dessert for Valentine's Day. Because who wouldn't love a strawberry? Because who wouldn't want a strawberry like that? Okay, let's try the strawberry. Oh my god. Currently, the strawberry is honestly number one. Strawberry is a must try. As a Valentine's Day gift or a dessert, it's honestly perfect. Please do the strawberry one. And now, the orange. Honestly, it's perfect. So there you have it. Some Tanghulu, which you will definitely not resist to eat more and more. If you liked the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe. And I thank you for all my new subscribers, which I currently have 11.